everybody, welcome back to Midvale Minis. I'm Kat, and today is part 2 of my unboxing. So this is all still part of that original person's items I got from Facebook Marketplace. And here is one of the things I got is a piece, I have a couple of these, and she had this one as well. And it's paper, it's like wallpaper, but it's like, not cobblestone, but like stone floorings. It's supposed to look like stone flooring. So I have that. And she had these really cool bricks. And if you see like the end here, they're meant to be able to do that and join together. So that's really cool. They are in relief. So I don't know if you can see it like, oh, that's a little close. Let's see if I do it like this. You can see the back, how you can see that this side is in relief. So that'll be handy. Of course, I just made, 100 million bricks, but that's okay. I could always use more bricks. Okay. I have this box right here, and in this box, I have something I really like. That is a spiral staircase. These things are really expensive, and I got this for pretty much nothing. So very, 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 very inexpensively. Let's see what else we got. Okay, this is one of my structures that I got. Now I know it's MDF, so I have to be careful, but again, it's a little shop. I was thinking about doing ILOP's Owl Emporium maybe here, something like that. Leave me a message, in the comments below and let me know what you think. Inside the box, I have this piece of, again, it's in relief. It's like stonework, supposed to look like stonework. It's wallpaper. And we have these Harry Potter, it's Harry Potter, Ron Weasley. Oops, sorry, it's out of the film. Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Percy Weasley, and Arthur Weasley. Interesting. They're really small, so they're not going to work with my 1/12 or my 1/2 scale, but it's kind of cool to have these anyway. Harry Potter, Luna Lovegood, Sirius Black, Professor Trelawney, and Moaning Myrtle. Oh, you gotta love it. Okay. I got these unique miniatures. They're just decorative pieces I can paint and put up on the wall. And here comes some more half scale. We got some windows. And here's a Palladian window in half scale. That's nice. We got some like faux stained glass. There's a couple pieces in there, so that's nice. Half scale door. This is a balcony. We got some ballast spindles, I guess you call them. And this is a 1/12 scale colonial style window. Okay, this is, I'm not really sure what this is. Birdhouse. Oh, it's a birdhouse. Okay, there we go. It's a 1/12 scale birdhouse. This is half scale. This is another, a cupola, however you pronounce that. And we got this, which is like quarter scale. It's plastic. Oops, upside down. Ollivanders. It says Ollivanders on it. And open like that. And then you have Ollivander's Wand Shop in like quarter scale, and you can move the ladder. So that's nice. I may actually sort of repaint some of these things, but that's kind of fun. Obviously, this woman and I share a Harry Potter taste. So here's a better look at the little shop. And then inside the shop, I have more spindles. Whoops, sorry. More spindles. An unopened staircase. I mean, this is just, it's great. I'm just so thrilled to have this unopened staircase. This goes to this is the top piece for this. More spindles. And then this is just, I guess, the wood pieces that go with this. I'm not really sure. I think, oh, here we go. Like that. Oops, excuse me. That's gonna go like, oh, there you go. Let me see if I can push this back a little bit so you can see. Zoom. I can't zoom out any further, but it goes on the top like that. Okay, so that's that. And then we have another room box. Actually, two more room boxes. There's this one. This is wired. You can see on the back that it is actually wired. I'm not sure if it's working or anything like that, but it's just a simple, I like the flooring and stuff like that. This would be for a simple scene. And I think it has another piece that goes with it. Let's look in here. Yes, it has several pieces that go with it. So actually, it smells a little bit mildewy in here. So this piece goes on the top, like that-ish. And then it has the side pieces. So there's two side pieces, and so you would go like that. And there's another piece that goes over here too. I can't get it all in there at once, but you get the idea. So that's pretty cool. I don't know, it's gonna hang on the wall or whatever, or I can just ditch this part and just use this. So, and then I have this room box. Okay. So in it, we have the Home Sweet Home hand cross-stitched piece, which actually looks to me like it should be on the floor, but it doesn't matter. I can do it either way. And then there's this little shelf with a towel rack. And then there's this piece of art over here. Can you see that? Yes, I think you can. Let's see if we get a better angle. There we go. It looks like a train or a building. Maybe it's a pagoda. I'm not sure. But that's what this room box looks like, and it is dirty. I will be ripping out this carpet for sure. But otherwise, I mean, I can use this. I know that it's got an issue right here. It's kind of gotten sort of damaged. She had dogs, so I'm wondering if maybe one of the dogs chewed this. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I can always pull this decorative trim off, put on a different decorative trim, say that 5 times fast, and go from there. I guess this piece does not go with this. I guess this goes with the other one. But yeah, so I mean, I can use this room box for any number of scenes that I might want to do. So that is the conclusion of my unboxing. This is part 2, and thank you so much for coming back and watching part 2. If you've missed part 1, I will leave a link in the description below, and you can go back and watch that. Okay, and as an added bonus, I decided to add what I got at the Philadelphia Miniaturia just a couple of days ago. So this kit, I actually didn't buy in Philadelphia. I bought it at the IGMA show, but it is a 3D kit to make this. It's like a wall hanging, and it will be it's multiple layers, so it'll be sort of projected out. And look at all the really cool stuff that's in there. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do this kit. So we will put this kit together at some point in the future. If you ever get a chance to see these, I'm trying to see what the name of the lady is. Her name is Ginger, I know that, but I can't remember what the name of her company is. I do apologize, but oh my goodness, it is so cool. So we'll put that together in the future. Okay, next I got this Jane Graber piece. I have a fairly extensive collection of Jane Graber, and I am looking forward to adding this to it. I got it at a very reasonable price. So there you go, Jane Graber. And I got not one, but two of these. And I do love how they look. And they remind me so much of the ones that my mother used to have from the late 30s, early 40s. And so they're gonna go into my home sweet home house. And then I have this one to go with it, a little bit of Halloween going on there. So love those. Then I got all of this. Okay, I got a half scale bookshelf. And look at this. It's a juicer. Can you see that? It's a little half scale juicer. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. And this is a kit for a half scale domed trunk. You can see that's the top of the trunk there. So I can't wait to put that one together. More half scale. These are pewter plates. And honestly, if I could find more of these, I would buy a ton of them because I love them so much. And I'm going to have a colonial scene in half scale. So that would be perfect. Here is a pot. I love how they do this particular type of paint job. It's like a tan pot with the green handles and stuff, and it's all rusted on the sides. I just love this look. Again, half scale. And then I got, if you recall from a previous video, I got a lot of roses from my friend Pam. So I got this from this same vendor I bought that half scale stuff from, and I never saw this in the dark purple. It's so pretty. And then I got it in the light purple. I'm not going to take that out of the bag, but you get the idea. The dark purple, the light purple, I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but I absolutely love them. And I got another half scale piece, and this one is a footed 2-tier glass. I think it's from Glasscraft. It keeps falling over in my hand, sorry. But I'm going to be making some little treats and putting it on there. It's very delicate and very pretty, and I absolutely love it. And I also got from the same vendor some half scale wallpaper. So this is broadnacks. Both things I got were broadnacks, but isn't that a pretty design? I really like that. And it's half scale, so I haven't a new half scale house. I haven't even figured out what I want in each room, but I thought, you know what? While I'm here, I'll pick up some half scale wallpaper. It's very inexpensive, and oh, look at the design on the top. Isn't that pretty? I really like that. So I got three sheets of each. Oh, and wait till you see this. This is so cool. I got, oh my gosh, look at this. This is also half scale, and it's got like, you know, it's vintage metal, and it's got the chipped paint. There's just something about that look. I don't know what it is. I absolutely love the chipped paint look. Wait, look. And I got a little chaise longue. I don't know how you pronounce it, but again, metal. And I'm going to put that together, and it doesn't match the color perfectly, but I'm going to put maybe a little trim around here, maybe make a little pillow and put that and put it into some sort of half scale scene. Love it. Oh, and I got from her this table, also metal, and this awesome chair, also metal. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. I just love the look of it. I don't know what it is about the chip paint. Honestly, in my real life, I collect primitive antiques, which also has chip paint. I don't know what the appeal is, but I can't get enough of it. It's so pretty. So that was from one vendor. And then, I have kind of an obsession with pink roses, and I bought these. These are made from beads, and they're ornaments. The lady handmade the ornaments from beads. I have since gone to Michael's and purchased the exact same beads, except they're bigger. they're slightly bigger diameter. So I'm going to be making a pink rose tree, and I would be putting that in. I don't know which one of my many projects I'll put that in, but I just couldn't help myself. I had to have them. And I already have, you know, some lighting, but I figured I would pick this one up as well. This is what she used on her trees there, and I think it was like $6.50 or something like that. So I'm going to try this out with the beads on a tree. And my absolute favorite, first of all, look at this bag. Isn't this adorable? And it says right here, made by Manda. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name correctly. I hope I am. Well, wait till you see this. This is my favorite thing that I got from the show. Okay. First off, it is a Santa bear on a teacup with all of his little hat and the holly leaves and the berries. Oh my gosh, he completely stole my heart. It's Christmas, it's bears, it's minis. I mean, that just says it all for me right there. And then I saw this one, and she isn't really Christmas, but she's got a red bow and she's got little red roses there. And I thought I would put them together on a mantle or a shelf, and they would be like little bookend kind of things. Aren't they the most adorable thing ever? Okay, so that is what I got from Philadelphia Miniaturia, and thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment in the link below, or the comment section below, and let me know what your favorite item is that I got either from the unboxing or from this Philadelphia Miniaturia haul. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.